Buckle up. Out of the way, Slowpoke.
Damn it! That what you call driving? Let's go, fresh meat! When I learned you wanted to race us, I was sure you'd be a pompous ass.
And?
You're a pompous ass, all right, but you can ride.
Well, look at that. I'm already ahead of you.
Shut it.
Oh, yeah!
What's a Brit like you doing in America anyway?
I like the weather. Come on. This is the birthplace of desert racing and the trophy truck.
Good answer.
That was the theory anyway. Reality is a little less glamorous. Looking forward to that derelict, Udo. I know you like that view. Say, League 73, any connection to the airfield?
Yeah, man. We used to sneak in there to scope out the UFOs when it was a secret military base. Had to off-road out of there when they'd spot us.
That's amazing. Wait, for real?
God damn it!
Know what? I am taking a selfie to celebrate this.